In this video, I'll go over how to fix black bars on stretched resolution in Warzone. So first, go and set the correct in-game resolution. Open Warzone, go to Settings and then Graphics, and choose your stretched resolution. Make sure display mode is full screen, since black bars often appear in windowed or borderless modes. Next, you need to configure your GPU scaling, and I'll show you how to do it for NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. So depending on your graphics card, you need to tell it to stretch the image instead of keeping the aspect ratio. Now for NVIDIA, right-click on your desktop, go to the NVIDIA control panel, go to display and adjust desktop size and position. Now select your monitor, go to scaling and set it to full screen. Now go to check override the scaling mode set by games and programs and apply the changes. For AMD, open the Radeon software, go to display and then GPU scaling and enable GPU scaling and set scaling mode to full panel. Then for Intel, open the Intel Graphics Command Center, also go display, general and then scaling and choose scale full screen. Next, adjust your monitor settings. Many monitors have an on-screen menu for aspect ratio or scaling. Make sure it's set to full or stretched and not maintain aspect ratio or one-on-one pixel mapping. Finally, disable DPI or display overrides. So right-click warzone.exe, go to Properties and then Compatibility. Then uncheck Override High DPI Scaling Behavior if it's enabled. So now you know how to fix black bars on stretched resolution in Warzone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.